I asked the question. Who touched me?
It was me. Just the fringe of your garment, only the edge. I promise. You're not unclean.
Why my garment?
I'm sorry. I know I should have asked. I was sick. I bled and no one could stop it. But I believed if I could just touch a piece of your garment. I was right. I was right.
My daughter.
I'm no one's daughter anymore.
Look up. Daughter. It wasn't my piece of clothing that healed you.
But it was instant. I felt it right away.
I know, but it wasn't this. It was your faith.
Truly I tell you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you could say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move.